Hi there everyone. In this lesson I will show you how to do a 4-step parallel park in order to pass your driving test. So pretty soon I'm going to be making a right turn onto the next street. Well, not the next street, the next street past this one. And then I'm gonna hopefully I can find a vehicle, and then I'll show you how to parallel park using just 4 steps. So here we go, right turn into this street, slow it down, check left, right, and hopefully, yes, there's a car there. I'm gonna parallel park behind that vehicle. So I signal to the right, check mirror and shoulder, pull up no more than 2 feet from the side of that car, and stop once the back of my car is in line with the back of this parked vehicle here on the right. Place the gear selected to reverse. Take a 3/4 revolution of the steering wheel to the right there. Then I check the mirror and all around, then I back up, and I just keep backing up until the front of my car is in line with the back of this car, but of course on an angle. Then I get all the turns in to the left. And bring the car over until it's absolutely straight. There. Place the gear selected to drive. Now I need to straighten the wheel. Clock. Then clock again. Then I move up and leave enough room so I can get out. Now right now I'm a bit too close to this parked vehicle, so I'm gonna back up a little bit, check in the mirror and check behind me. Back up just until I can see where the tire makes contact. Done. Apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.